This is Derek, and this is his 2021 BMW X5 M50i. You're watching WHLWRKS.
All right, guys, we're here with Derek, and we're about to put some new wheels on this car. And Derek, what have you done to this car that's not stock, and what have you done to it aftermarket?
Catless downpipe, full titanium exhaust, wrap, all the cosmetic stuff for the car. Shout out to Azad too for putting me on the wheels. It's gonna be a little crazy.
I love where you're going with the build, and obviously the wheels are going to change the whole perspective of the car. It's going to change the whole look of it. But yeah, I think it's going to look really good. So Derek, now that we talked about the car, what you're doing, I want to ask you some personal questions. Where are you at with your career right now? Where are you playing, and what's some of your stats? What are you doing?
So right now I play for Long Beach State basketball. Yeah, I'm a junior. I'm also playing for national team back home, Indonesia. So I represent my country every time I can. I'm a forward. My stats, if you talk about the stats, I was injured my first year. When I come to Long Beach, I play a lot. So my stats like 6 points a game this year and 7 rebounds a game. It's pretty solid for a big man, I feel like. And I'm about to get better every time, you know, next year for sure.
Now, I got another question for you. If you were to be drafted in the future, right, and you had a chance to tell, if they're watching, if it's the Lakers, if it's the Bulls, the Celtics, don't matter, right? If they're watching, right, who would you want to be drafted by? Let them know who.
To be honest, wherever I drive it. But
if you had to
LA
choose.
Lakers though, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay,
if LeBron still play, I want to play with LeBron. Like, that's my goal.
That's a
like,
dream.
That's my player of all time.
One of my other last questions, and it's a debatable question. You kind of already answered it. Who's your GOAT?
LBJ.
Oh, man. Well, look, I grew up in the 90s, early 2000s, so.
Let me guess. Might be Michael Jordan. Is it Michael Jordan or
okay, so
else?
it's not. It is not Michael Jordan. It's not Michael Jordan, not my GOAT, even though he is. Yeah, he is, right? Yeah.
Just a second.
To me, it's because I grew up watching this person, like, as a kid, and like I still do it to this day, even with my own kids. Is when we shoot Kobe
Bryant.
So Kobe Bryant's my GOAT because I grew up watching him. Okay, he said he's 6'10", right? Okay. I'm not even. I'm almost 6 foot. I'm not 6 foot, but look at. Put your hand up.
Oh yeah.
That's not fair. Yeah. Stay right here, Gio.
Dude, he's
come on.
1 foot taller than me.
Dude. 6'10". Like I said, they need a big man. NBA, look. He's here. He's a good prospect. No, me and Gio, I think it's only fair.
What am I gonna do, bro?
Like,
he's gonna step on me.
2 against 1.
All right. Yeah.
Bro.
Yo.
Hey. All right, Derek, so your wheels are here. 24.9, 24.10, okay?
Yep.
Let's check them out. Shout out to Azad Wheels, by the way, one more time.
Yep.
For sponsoring this.
Appreciate you. Love. Let's see. No way.
Yeah, it looks good, bro. It looks good, bro.
Oh, no, wait, that color. Oh my God. Love Azad.
Yeah.
These are the tires, bro?
These are your tires.
Yeah, I love it.
Anthony putting in the work, man.
A lot of our customers and most people, the general population, don't understand why we run this type of tire on staggered for all-wheel drive. Now, you can do it, and the reason why is because the overall diameter is extremely important. So this is a 295/25/24. This is a 255/30/24. We want to stay under a 1/4 inch in overall diameter and height, so it doesn't affect the vehicle's drivetrain, which is their all-wheel drive. Or if it's like a transfer case, we don't want to mess that up. So we have to stay under a 1/4 inch in overall diameter height. That way this vehicle doesn't have any problems with the all-wheel drive.
As you can see, this 255/30/24 is sitting pretty much spot on as a factory. It's not even inflated yet. So factory height, pretty much the same height. Look at that. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a good look. What do you think?
Love it.
So Jose, one of the comments I get all the time is people asking about our balancing. They're like, do you guys even balance your tires?
You either balance the outside and the inside. A lot of people, company, what they do, just to save some money, they only balance one way.
So what do you do?
Yeah, I do it the right way, because I don't want people come back and say, you didn't do it right.
Yeah, even if it does cost more money in the end for us.
True. See, right now you're balancing both sides.
We never compromise at Audio City USA, guys. But anyways, guys, myth is busted. We do balance our wheels. Actually, in fact, we double balance them. We balance them the right way.
It's road force balance.
And we road force balance. Yeah, that's true.
So it's similar to road, and it'll tell you if the tire's bad or the rim is bad. That's what it says.
I never want to hear people say we don't balance ever again. But are you ready to see this on the whip or what?
Man, I'm excited. If I can drift this car, if I can do donuts, I already do it. That's how excited I am. Oh my God. Oh my.
Money.
That's looking good, bro. Now the final test is the turn test. You can turn without rubbing too much.
Work.
He say it works. He say it works.
30 years of work. So,
You know what's sick? I like it with these wheels. You can really see the brake.
Brake caliper. All right, guys.
Okay, so if we can turn without rubbing, then we're good. Keep going. Dude, we're not even close.
Not even close.
yeah.
Bro, we're good. We got so much space in there.
Yeah, it's close, but it's not touching.
Hey, I'll give credit where it's due. Jose did call it.
Jose to me.
Look, you still have room to lower it, dude.
Yeah, you have room to lower it. Yeah, you're right.
Out with the old and in with the new. Bro, I love these new Azods. You get so much more visibility into the brake. Got that giant red caliper.
Hey, Jose, I got a question. Come here really quick. You know, was saying something really cool earlier about the NBA. No, he was telling me about how weak and how floppy they are right now with just shoot threes.
The women,
WNBA?
Yeah.
WNBA.
They play better than the men.
Oh shit! Damn, he said.
No. Have you seen LeBron? Oh.
All right, second tire going on the wheel. Tire lube, get it going. In the back here we have a 15 mil spacer, so that is gonna kick the wheels out and make it look a lot more aggressive. All right, rear wheel is on. We got the spacer. That is looking so sick, bro.
Spacers look more like fatty.
Yeah, dude, you got that spaced out look. It's wide, it's on the fender. That looks good, bro.
Crazy.
This is a wagon now, huh?
It's great. It's beautiful now. It's like you can see the wheels, you can see the car, like it's blended together, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Great.
Oh, hell yeah.
I think this inspired me to put spacers on my car.
All right, throw it on. That's the last wheel. Give him that little final clean. There we go, getting the tire shine on there. Make this thing look brand spanking new. We good, Anthony?
Yeah.
It might be it's hot take. I don't know if everybody have an M50i, but it might be the best M50i in California.
Yeah.
In California, in the U.S., bro. In the U.S.
Now I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, it looks insane.
Yeah.
Like this is 11 out of 10 for me. Genuinely.
Hey, actually,
I did not think it was gonna look good. I knew it was gonna look good, right?
Yeah, I'm being
but I didn't think it was gonna be
transparent.
this.
yeah. For real.
The color also. I want to talk about the color. The
I think
color
the wrap,
pops out.
the wrap helped like the wheels pop out more, and the wheels also make the wrap pop out more too.
They
So
contrast each other very well.
It sounds good. It looks good with the wrap. Now it has wheels, bro. You said, they're good, bro. Yeah.
Oh, that's them too.
Yeah.
Dude, your car sounds amazing. That's crazy. There There goes the plate, bro. Bro took off and left the plate down. No. You can hold on to that, bro. So sick. And that right there is how it is done, guys. Look at this BMW X5. The transformation is incredible. Derek, what do you have to say, bro?
This is amazing, bro. Look how the big 24 rims in my car right now, it look insane, beautiful. Like, it's crazy. I love it.
I really think your idea of the silver wheels with the Isle of Man green paint complement each other super well. I personally would have done this exact same setup. And guys, is this the first X5 M50i on 24s in the US? Let us know in the comments. And again, guys,
shout out to AudioCityUSA for hooking me up, and as I will as well. I love being part of this, you know, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
and now the moment you guys have been waiting for.